Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand the concept of vector triple product. So, look at this VTP, vector triple product. So, we will have A cross B cross C. Okay. Now, you guys can go with the priority with A and B, and you guys can go with the priority B cross C first. In both the situation we will have different answers. Okay, so based on bracket we will have some result. Okay, now look at this. So suppose that we are doing the cross product. So what could be the final vector? So final vector, the final output will be 100% vector. In scalar triple product, the final product is scalar quantity. In this case we will have vector quantity. The final vector will be in the plane containing vectors of bracket and it will be perpendicular to remaining vector. Okay, means suppose that we are going through this idea. So the resultant vector will be in the plane containing vector A and vector B and will be perpendicular to vector C. If you will go with this, we will get a vector in the plane containing vector B and C, and the vector will be perpendicular to A. Okay, so this is the idea. Now, suppose that you wish to go with A cross B cross C, either with priority this or with priority this. Now, you know that first you have to go with the cross product of these two things. You know how to do it. You know how to handle this situation. Yes. So we will get a vector. Again we have to do cross product with C. So for this question we need to solve a particular question twice. Suppose that you know that it will require so much of time. So instead of doing this thing, what you should do, you have to memorize the expansion. Now look at this. Suppose we guys are handling this. So just tell me who is in the middle. You know that in the middle we have vector B, then minus. Now what is the remaining vector in the bracket? A. So you will write A over here. Okay. Similarly over this, who is in the middle? Vector B minus. Who is the remaining vector in the bracket? C. So you will write C. I hope the first component is clear. Now, suppose that you guys are handling vector A, vector B, vector C. So you have already handled vector B. Now, what are the remaining vectors? A and C. So do A dot C. Suppose that you are handling vector A. So what are the remaining vectors? B and C. So go with B dot C. So expansion of A cross B with priority cross C will be this result. Okay. Similarly, if you are handling B, what are the remaining vectors? A and C. So do A dot C. Suppose that you are handling C. So what are the remaining vectors? A and B. So go with A and B. Now this thing is easy and you guys can handle this thing gracefully. So this is the expansion of vector triple product. Now the most important thing, how you guys will understand that we have to apply vector triple product in the current scenario. So the idea is, if in any question, if you will find dot as well as cross, you have to think about this situation, vector triple product. In the given quantity, if they will give dot as well as cross, we will use vector triple product. Okay, and this thing you have to memorize whenever there is requirement. Like in this case, what we'll have, we will have a vector in the plane containing vector a and vector b will be perpendicular to c. In this case, we will have a vector in the plane containing vector b and vector c which is perpendicular to vector a. So this thing you have to memorize. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.